So Don and I are headed back home from dinner, and it's like a little after 8, and the lightning is out of control. Of course, no thunder, which leads me to believe that the lightning is further away, or the storms are further away. Oh, that was a big one! Did you see that?
Yep.
I'm not driving, by the way, just so you know. I'm in the passenger seat. Ooh, that was another big It's a light show! It's strobe lights. Oh my goodness. Ooh, another big flash. Flash. Let's focus on the sky. And all its creepiness. Oh, that was a good one too. I know. We're like a couple of kids. We are lightning chasers. Oh, that was another big one. Yeah, these storms are far because we're not hearing any rumblings. Wow. Wow. Oh. Alright. That's it for now. Almost home. Night night.